Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to power the Zoom H1 in a better way than with the battery. So hello and welcome to this short video. I'm just gonna demonstrate a better way to power the Zoom H1. If you like this little recorder like I do, you also know that the battery will drain itself when you switch it off, so you have to take it physically out, which is annoying, and also the battery won't last that long, especially when I record a DJ set or something. It's not long enough. So what I did was to buy a phone battery, the one I'm showing here. These are very cheap. You can buy them for a few bucks. The advantage of using a battery like this is that you don't have the inconvenience of creating a ground loop when you use the line in for recording, which is very annoying. If after a 5-hour DJ set you notice that there's a hum on all the recordings. So this is actually the best solution I found. It lasts very long, about 6 to 7 hours, and it's also rechargeable, so better for the environment. The next thing I want to add is that if you want to make a line level recording from, let's say, a DJ mix, you need something like this. This is an attenuator. It will attenuate about -20 dB. In this schematic you see on the left, you see the plug I use with the tip, the sleeve and the ring are connected in a certain way to the resistors. I just drew this from a mono pad, so it's actually two mono pads combined into one stereo pad for this purpose. You can try to reset the recording levels and to make them lower on the device itself, but the problem is that the digital in will still clip even though your record level might be in the green, might be very low. So this is actually a solution for that. If you use it like this with the -20 dB attenuator, you can use it on a record out of a DJ mixer without clipping your inputs. So I hope this helps for you as well. Thank you for watching and see you next time.